Hello everyone, this video introduces the Feature Class Z to ASCII function in the Vector Conversion tool. This function is used to export 3D features to an ASCII text file stored in Generate or XYZ format. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Feature Class Z to ASCII tool. Double-click to open the function window. Specify the 3D point, multipoint, polyline, or polygon feature class to be exported to the ASCII file. Here, we use line features as an example. Set the name of the generated ASCII file in the Output Text File section. Specify the format of the ASCII file to be created. You can choose to write the output in Generate format or write the XYZ information of the input features in XYZ format. When selecting the XYZ format, a separate file will be created for each line or polygon in the input line or polygon features. The delimiter is optional and is used to specify the character that separates field values in the text file. The decimal notation is optional and is used to specify the method for storing significant digits in the output text file. When selecting the fixed method, you can set the number of decimal places. Here, we choose automatic. The decimal separator is the character used in the text file to separate the integer part of a number from its fractional part. Finally, set the storage path for the output text file. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. The conversion of features to ASCII will be successful. At this point, you can see that the information for each line feature is stored in the ASCII file in Generate format. That's all for the introduction to the Feature Class Z to ASCII function. Thank you for watching.